Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically guys, here we have a 2013 Ford C-Max. You can often experience that problem when you have dual climate control, where you can adjust the temperature on the passenger and the driver's side, okay, of your vehicle, because you will have two special devices that are known as blend door actuators, okay, that actually adjust the temperature for the driver's side and for the passenger side, okay, on here as well. So if we pay attention here now guys, okay, what we have specifically, you can see dual climate control. You have you can adjust the climate control, okay, on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. So let's say you have the AC on, it's summertime, you're driving guys, okay, and all of a sudden, okay, you notice that the driver's side, okay, starts blowing warm air, passenger side is cold air, or the other way around. What can cause that now? So if you look at it now, okay, the temperature that we get out of here, okay, let me flip to, okay, Fahrenheit, okay, we're getting about 70 degrees. On this side it's colder, you can see it will keep dropping. 61 on this one, okay, it's 70, when I get it right, 75, 80 degrees. So what can easily guys, okay, cause that? You have that device behind the dash that's known as a blend door actuator. The purpose of that device is to open and close the flap between cold and hot. When you have a dual climate control, you have two of these motors, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Each one of those motors, okay, adjusts the temperature for a certain part of the vehicle. And when they fail, okay, either the gears inside wear, crack, or the motor dies, guys, and those flaps will not be turned all the way, and as a result, they'll just be stuck in one position. What the blend door actuator looks like, this device right here, it just attaches with 3 screws. Okay, 1 second. It's a small device, guys. Okay, give me just a second to position my phone here, and this is it guys, this is it. This one goes in the flap and it just turns, okay, turns the flap. So when you cannot adjust the temperature and AC blows warm on one side but cold on the other side, most likely you have a bad flap that will need to be a blend door actuator that will need to be replaced. If you want to see how to do that on C-Max, we have a video that explains where they're located. You have one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. You have two more blend door actuators, one that actually switches the airflow from the vents here to the windshield and the floor mat and the floorboard, and you have another blend door actuator for the recirculation, the one that opens and closes the flap for fresh air from inside. And two of them, when you have a dual climate control, you have two for adjusting the temperature. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.